All right, let's see if we can figure out about this here triangle. So we know the length of this side and the length of that side. And we know that the perimeter is less than 54.0 centimeters. Well, perimeter is basically just adding up the lengths of all the sides. So our perimeter is going to be A plus B plus C. But remember right here, we know that the perimeter is less than 54. So that means that A plus B plus C, which is the perimeter, is less than 54. So we got this neat little inequality here. Well, what else do we know? We know what A is. We know A is 16.8 and we know that B is 15.5. So let's use the substitution property to put those values in there. So A was 16.8 and B was 15.5. And these guys right here are like terms. They're on the same side of the inequality, and they both are constants, meaning they have no variable with them. So I can combine these by adding them together. So 16.8 plus 15.5 is 32.3. So we get 32.3 plus C is less than 54.0. And then if we use the commutative property of addition, which means that you can add in either order. For example, like 2 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus 2. They both equal 5. So addition doesn't matter about order. So we can rewrite this as C plus 32.3. And that might help clear up what we should do to get this 32.3 off of the left side. It's positive here, it's still positive here, right? So we're going to need to use the subtraction property of inequality to subtract 32.3 off and get C by itself. But the subtraction property of inequality says that you need to subtract the same number from both sides of an inequality to get an equivalent inequality. So 54 minus 32.3 is 21.7, so this is an equivalent inequality to the one we started with. That tells us that C has to be less than 21.7. So then I would just come over here and click, 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 submit. Ding!